Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you story from English 2 Unit 1 The Invention of Shoes. Okay, who is written this story? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore was an Indian poet, educator, painter and social reformer. So he won the Nobel Prize in Literature 1913. Okay, 1913, which was Geetanjali. Okay, which was Geetanjali. He had deep interest in children and wrote many poems about them. Okay, let's see. There are three main characters of this story. Gobu. Gobu, he is a king. Goburai, minister. Old man, he is a tanner. Okay, let's see. Once upon a time, there was a king who called Gobu. So one day he called his minister and said, "Listen, Goburai, I was thinking all night, why should the dust dirty my royal feet whenever I walk on the ground? So the people and you are not concerned with the king or the kingdom or the problem that bother me. You have concern with your fat salary. So you must put end with this matter, otherwise no one shall be escape my royal anger." So the Goburai was worried. Why? Because of the problem. Okay, not only Goburai, means those who live in the castle, they become sleepless, means they are not cooking, they started to cry. So after what was happened, that the Goburai and all the scientists, scholar and mechanics gathered and discussed about the matter, means how to we remove the dust, like that they are talking. Okay, so after thinking deep, they said, okay, if we do away with the soil. So while discussing, what a fellow these people, if you do away with the soil, how will you grow crops? Said the king. That is true, isn't it? For example, just imagine that if we do away with the soil, with the whole world, how do we get be it rice, vegetables and fruits, those things coming from the land only, isn't it? Without soil, without land, we cannot get, isn't it? So that the king was angry with them. Okay, so after that they thought some more, means they made purchase of 70,50,000 brooms. Okay, how many? 70,50,000 brooms. Listen, here I am going to write. Okay, 70,50,000 brooms. So means they purchased 70,50,000 brooms, and they called the workers and told them, means clean the ground wherever you see the dust. Wherever you see the dust. So means the dust was spread to everywhere while they are cleaning the ground. So the dust covered king's face and chest. No one could open their eyes. No one could see the sun because of the dust. So people cough and choke. So the kingdom was almost buried under the dust. So now the king was angry with them, and he said them, "Miss, what are you doing here? What did I tell you? What are you doing here? I told you to remove the dust, but you made me cover the dust." Like that he was telling. Who was telling that? The king was telling. Okay, then after what was happened, Miss Goburai and all the scholar fear about the king, and they thought, what do we do? Then they brought a water. Okay, they brought 21 lakhs of water. Okay, they brought 21 lakh water. Okay, here I am going to write here 21. Okay, 21 water carrier. Okay, So they brought 21 water carrier. They ran fast and they ran all over and pouring the water wherever they saw the dust. But all the ponds and lakes soon overflow with mud. Now the port means no port could move there, and the land creature means those who live in the land, they couldn't move because of there was no water. Okay, now the king, he was angry with them. Means he said them, what a foolish people, I told you to remove the dust, but you made the dust all the ponds and lakes. Like that he was shouting. Who was shouting that? The king was shouting. Okay, so after what was happened that the people they become tired. Means they have followed, but that was not useful, so they become tired. Means Gobura and all the scholars, scientists, mechanics means they were become tired. Okay, then what will happen after that? Means once again everyone gather and discuss about a solution of a royal problem. Means how to we remove the dust. Like that they are discussing. So while discussing, someone said that cover the earth, means cover the earth with mat, rungs and carpet, and dust means no dust shall touch the royal feet. Like that telling. And someone said that keep the king indoors, then no dust shall touch his royal feet. So while they are discussing, the king he said, means it's true, very good, means it's true, but I am worried. If I was stay in the shutdown indoors, means every day or all days, the means royal missionaries shall came and means stop the kingdom and shall be reowned. Like that he was telling. Who was telling that? The king. Okay, so after that means they are worried about that problem. Is how do we remove the dust? Like that they are worried. Then somebody telling them, then how do we remove the dust? Like that they are talking. That time the king he said, leave it that, means let me take this matter, means I am going to handle this problem. Like that the king he said them. Okay, so after what he was telling that, means call the tanner, all of them, and wrap the leather the whole earth. This is my contribution. Like that he was telling. Who was telling that? The king. So when he was telling, everyone bow down, and what a brilliant idea, your royal highness, they said. Who said that? Means the Goburai and all the scholars, scientists and mechanics. Okay, so now means he had planned, means but after that they asked one question, means where would we find the good tanner, or where would we find so much leather? Like that they are discussing. So while discussing, at last the tanner, the chief tanner of the king, presented himself at the court. Means that man, he was an old man. Okay, he was an old man. He was an old man. He bowed down to the king, and he smiled little, and he said that, if you are royal wish, I have a suggestion to make. It will fulfill your wish. It was simple but effective. Like that the old man is telling. Who was telling that? The old man. He said. Okay, so after that the king what you have, that idea, tell me. Like that the king was telling. So now the old man, what does he tell them? Cover your royal feet and highness, and you shall not cover the whole whole world, said the old man. Who is telling that? The old man. So when he was telling the king, he asked him, okay, what did you tell me that only going to solve all the problem? Like that he asked. Who asked that? The king. He asked to the old man, and arrest the fellow man, set the Koburai and throw him into jail. Who is telling that? Koburai. Why did he tell? Because the old man, he was telling to the king, means cover your royal feet and your highness, like that he was telling, so that the Koburai was angry with the old man, and he said, arrest the fellow man and throw him into jail. So when he was telling, after that the old man, means he was sitting at the king feet. He had, means the old man who started his work, means he had been taken measurement, means cutting and fitting, means stitching, okay, stitching and cutting that. So before the king could decide that whether it is just wait. Means before the king could decide, means whether to throw the old man into jail or to forgive him, like that he was thinking. Who was thinking that? The king. Okay. So after, means when he was thinking, after that the old man, he had finished a neat pair of shoes and presented it to his royal highness. Okay. Now what was happened? That means the king, he got a pair of shoes from by the old tanner. Okay. So the king Kobu put on the shoes. Who is giving the pair of shoes? Who is giving the pair of shoes? Means the old man. So the king, he got a pair of shoes from the old man. Now the king Kobu, means king, who is a king? Kobu. Okay. King Kobu put on the shoes. Okay. So means they fit him perfectly. What is fit? The shoes, a pair of shoes fit him perfectly. So now his royal feet, means the king, now his royal feet was swarm. Okay. Then after that, now the king, he had he felt comfortable in his feet. Why? Because he was wearing a pair of shoes. Who is made that pair of shoes? Means old man. So now the king, he felt warmth and comfortable in his his feet. So after that, what was happened? That so now the Koburai and the people, they were escaped from the king royal angry. How did they escape? Because the old man, he made a pair of shoes and gave the king. So when he started to wear the pair of shoes, after that the people and Koburai escaped from the king royal angry. Okay. Now the old man, he had the old man he had saved the earth as well as the Koburai and the people. Okay. That only written in this story. Okay, students, I hope you understand what I teach you. Thank you, students.